Probably fix your camera.
It's okay. It's not. Webcam cabbage should be in the front on the top. It's not even showing. Why it's not showing? Webcam capture is not even showing, so it doesn't really matter. Huh? It's on the top though. Oh yeah, it's. How about show the world Arthur's beautiful face?
Wow, I love it. Heals forever on the internet. That's okay. I've done a lot worse.
All right, so Roger, what's your question?
32.
Can you tell me what the question 32 is?
X plus 2 over x minus 7.
Okay, so my thing's not working. So it's gonna be x plus 2,
Yeah,
like this.
yeah. Over x minus 7
Uh-huh.
minus x squared plus 4x plus 13.
Plus 13.
Uh,
I'm not sure that's
oh,
right.
wait, that's the numerator.
That's the numerator. Okay. X squared. What is it?
Plus 4x plus 4x plus 13.
Plus 13 over what?
X squared minus 4x minus 21.
Okay, good. So this is a great question. So by understanding this question, you should understand pretty much everything. So so I'm gonna factor this x plus 2 over x minus 7 minus this one is gonna be x minus 7 and x plus 3. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Did you factor that? And then I'm gonna change your marker here. I'm gonna multiply the left side by x plus 3 because you need common denominator. Now, when you adding and subtracting, you need a common denominator. When you multiply, you don't need a common denominator. So in this case, it's gonna be plus 3 over x plus 3. Is that okay? So now on the bottom, you have the same thing. You have the x plus 3 and x minus 3. And that's going to be x plus 3 and x plus 2 minus x squared plus 4x plus 13. Is that okay? Now, can anything simplify?
Yeah.
No.
What?
Deny, yes. So it cannot simplify because you will kill a kitten.
Yes.
And literally, you can search.
God damn it. He just put out the photo straight. He thinks like, oh, I thought it was a puppy last. Right. She said it's a kid. Oh, so you cannot kill a kitten because you cannot cancel something is addition and subtracting to something. And you're gonna be like, well, it looks like it's multiplying, but you look at it. The x plus 3 is times the x plus 2, right? But it's subtracting from other things. So they are in the sort as like they will skew together. You cannot simplify anything. So what you can do is you can distribute the top. So it'll be x squared plus 5x. Now I know the 6 minus x squared minus 4x. You have to distribute all the sign, and that's equal to x plus 3 times x minus 7. Is that okay? So this is going to cancel out. So that's going to be x minus what? 19, I believe, over x plus 3 times x minus 7. Is that what you guys get, or did I make some mistake?
No. It was x.
Oh, this is a plus 6? Okay, so this is x minus 7?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is x minus 7. Oh, then that's now you can cancel. Now this is a can cancel here. So this is 7. Now this is a 1 times x minus 7. This can cancel, and you got x plus 3. What mistake did I make?
You didn't put the one.
I didn't put a 1 because you cancel something, you put a 1. So it'll be 1 over x plus 3. And the test question just going to be like something like this. If you know how to do your basic math in 4th grade, this is just only one thing you have to do is factoring.
Basic math, 4th grade.
This is it.
Maybe in China, but not in the US of A.
No, this is elementary school in China.
Oh my god. That's elementary school. Great.
Yes.
Part two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Phenomenal joke, LMA. I like that.
No, it was a genuine question.
It's a genuine question, I know. But this is algebra. This is algebra. This is not. This is if you get a. Okay, so this is another problem. Like what people don't understand is, some of you guys probably says I got a 5 in EOC Algebra 1 or FAST. When you got a 5 in America, it means you got 42% correct.
Pretty good, man.
42.
Wow.
42% correct. So when people told me get a 5, it doesn't mean anything to me. I hear 5 all the time. Now, if I hear lower than that, then I know in order to get a 3 is 28%. So that means you score 28% on your test that you could have got a 3 on your EOC. And same thing as geometry, same thing as algebra 1. So when you have algebra 1 score of 5, when you come tell me, it's like, well, you can be somewhere between 42% to all the way to 100%. I have no idea where you're at, but I'm going to assume the worst. So it's going to be 42%. Okay, so, and this is the problem of America is because we as a politic is we don't want to embarrass us too bad. So for example, in this school, this is live stream, great. So in this school, there is a 98% graduation rate. There was a people who are illiterate in this school, and they graduated. No, this is true. This is true. There was a lawsuit going on 3 months ago. The person sued the education, and they won the lawsuit. And the suit was saying, "Hey, I graduated with honor, but I didn't know how to read or write or math." And they won. She was the smartest person in the world. She won the lawsuit, multi-million-dollar lawsuit. She won. Because our education department, our teacher would just say, "Hey, there's an A for good behavior. There's an A for good behavior, A for good behavior." Nothing to do with knowledge. Is we give you an A for behavior, not A for academic abilities. And this is what the problem is. This is what essentially it comes down to. So you guys have to be the one that break the trend. I'm trying to help you. You got to be the one that break the trend. You cannot be like this. If you don't understand something, come back, try to understand it. Like Arthur tried to come back to understand it. David tried to come back to understand it. I have Elizabeth, you, right? How to say your name? You're trying to come back to understand it. I appreciate that. I will not want to fail any kids in this class. No. But you gotta show me the academic worthy. Otherwise, you are just I call them as academic homeless. You just you don't earn anything. You don't have anything.
History, I've never heard of an academic comeback.
I also hear a lot of like people says they will do this, but they cannot accomplish it.
I will not fail.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna go to complex fraction. Any other question for the test?
It's on Thursday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I will tell you it's on the test too.
What's up, Seth?
I will tell you right now.
Okay.
But let me finish complex fraction first. Okay. So in fourth grade, for me, that if I were a fourth grade teacher, this is my question was like the fraction before. So I say 1 plus 2 over 5
right? And 2 plus 3 over 5. And I will have something like this is me at teaching fourth grade. I promise you, I would, if I teach fourth grade, my student will be able to do this. But this is not too hard because you break the sections. You break this part and you break this part. And you said, we did this before, right? So it's going to be 5, 7, and this is 5, 13. And then I'm going to keep change flip because this is this. Do you guys remember this on the first test?
Yes, sir.
Now, please do not multiply 7 times 5 or 5 times 13. Please look for simplification first because this is multiplication. Now, this cancel out 7 over 13. And this, that's it. Not too hard. You got this, right? Okay, so let's change it to algebra. Change that one question to algebra. 1 minus x over y over x squared over y squared minus 1. So I have this situation. Can you do it now? This is no different than that. It's the same. I want you to try it. It says, I don't know how to start. Give me a minute. Okay. This is Elizabeth done.
Well, I did it. I don't know if it's right now. But I tried.
I like your speed. Fast.
I tried.
You did? Are you fast at the rowing as well?
Um, I'll say mediocre.
Mediocre. Who's faster, you or Emerson?
Emerson. Maybe.
Horrible comparison.
Horrible comparison.
Horrible.
Well, I
I've been
know,
like
I
a
know.
horse kid for like 4 years.
Yeah.
She's
That's
like
okay.
2 years?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my first one.
It's not even fair. It's like comparing you and me. I'm obviously smarter.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
All right, let's give it a try. I don't know if you tried it, but it's not as hard as you think. This is a adding and subtracting. This is adding and subtracting. What do you need? Common denominator, right? So I need to multiply this by y over y. And this is by y squared over y squared. What did I say? So this is a y of y minus x. Is that okay? And this is a y squared. And this is x squared minus y squared. Am I going too fast?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes, you are.
Okay. Okay, tell me what you have problem with.
Still right. Wait, why is it both y's? Y over y times one.
Because you want to combine these common denominators, so there has to be a same denominator.
Okay.
So you have to multiply by y squared over y squared. Are we doing okay? So can I take this fraction divided by this fraction? Can I write it horizontally?
Change flip.
Now I haven't keep change flip. I just write down divide because the top divided by bottom. So that's y minus x over y times y squared over. Now I'm gonna factor this because x squared minus y squared, I know how to factor that. So it's gonna be
x minus y times x plus y. Is that okay? Is this okay?
Hold on, it's being blocked.
Move. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah.
Am I going too fast? Can anything simplify? What can simplify?
X. The Y. The Y.
The x minus y and the y squared and the y.
Well, it cannot simplify it because you had to be in the right order. So I'm gonna I'm factoring out the x minus y here. Is that okay? Is this okay? So now I can simplify this, and I can simplify this. So it'd be negative y over x plus y. You wanna try again?
Guys, cancel out.
Ella, why are you in the wheelchair?
Didn't see.
Why are you in the back?
Let me know if I'm going too fast. You guys want to try it again?
Because he canceled out, he factored out a lot, the x plus y, so. he
Therefore,
canceled
because
out
negative
plus
y
y.
plus y.
So they're still negative one. So.
Okay, I want you to simplify this. It's a fraction on top of fractions.
Okay.
2 over x plus 3 divided by 4 over x squared minus 9. One over x change, but next over x is 1, so it not change. Okay, so we cannot cancel like 2 and 4 like that. What you can do? No, this should be minus right here. Minus. This one becomes a different square. Side of 6. So you cannot cancel like this, not equal. Go see it now. So in that goes. I don't think this is right. So this is But this is the other way. Because this is not the top.
Oh, shit.
So you have reverse, and this is the x squared.
Wait, Mr. Yang.
Something's off there.
What did you get? You have to say it.
So x cancels out. You don't need to back it up fast.
I had one.
Here.
Whoa. I didn't even have a weird. Just what's your name? Faster.
X cancel out.
I mean, like the good from there. Something wrong.
You see how that is?
Yeah.
Your IQ just went up.
I had it, I said I put X over 2. I had it so here.
I say so many people break certain small rules, and let's talk about those people that break the rules. And it's fine, right? Now you're breaking the rule. I just don't need to break the rules on the test. So obviously I need to multiply this. I need to multiply this. I need to multiply this by x over x. Like Arthur, this is good. This is good stuff right here. That's good. That's good first step. Sometimes you just need to take that first step and move forward. And if you fall, just get back up. X squared over x squared. This is just adding fraction. This is third grade. This is not like crazy thing. This is not hard. So this 2 plus 3x over x. And this is a 4 minus 9x squared over x squared. Now it's top divided by bottom. You can draw it to show you that this top fraction divided by bottom fraction. Yeah. 2 plus 3x over x divide 4 minus 9x squared over x squared. So divide, you're going to do keep change flip. So it'll be 2 plus 3x over x times x squared over. Now I'm going to factor this. This is called difference of a square. So it'll be 2 plus 3x and then 2 minus 3x. I don't need a. I see this can simplify right here. Boom, boom. I can see this simplify. So it'll be x over 2 minus 3x. Now, you don't have to change it. If you want to change the order here, you can do that. It'll be negative x over 3x minus 2. Either answer is acceptable for me. They both are good. They both are good.
X over.
Yeah.
How does the x in the numerator become negative?
Because, that's a great question. So I can do this. I can factor out a negative sign. So that's going to be 3x minus 2. Is that okay? And I put a negative sign up here. So it'll be negative x over 3x minus 2. If I want to do that, I don't have to. If you give me an answer x over 2 minus 3x, it's perfect. Does this make sense? Okay. Let me ask you another question. There's a difference order operation wise. What's the difference between this and this?
I got 2. One of them is linked to a negative, and the other one doesn't.
No, one only to the edge and
Yeah.
the other one both of them.
Elizabeth, what are you gonna say?
I was gonna say, the one with the parentheses, you have to do it to both, but just the one that doesn't have parentheses, it's just to the end.
Yeah, so this one's equal to 5 over x squared. This is order operation because -2 only applies to the x. Is this okay? And this one is 1 over 5x squared. So this one's actually 1 over 25x squared, if you simplify it correctly. Okay, so make sure you order operation. So we're going to give you one that's a little bit more challenging now. Okay? So what's the difference between 2x to the -1 plus 1 over 2x to the -1 minus 1? So let's look like it very, very similar to each other, but it's not. I'm going to go through it with you guys. That way you know. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I don't want you to do it. So this one is equal to 1 over 2x because the -1 applying to the whole parenthesis. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And there's a plus 1. But this one, only the x. Is that okay? Now can I multiply this by 2x over 2x? Can I multiply this by x over x? Then on the top, it's going to be 2x of 1 plus 2x. On the bottom, it's going to be x of 2 minus x. So this one's going to be 1 plus 2x over 2x. This is, keep change your flip. This is going to be x of 2 minus x. Only the x can cancel out. Nothing else cancel out. So it'll be 1 plus 2x over 2 times 2 minus x. And that'll be the answer here. I'm going to ask you to try one now.
Yeah, it's Tom.
It's a 5x to the -1. -1 is no parenthesis, so that means -1 only apply to what? The x. And same thing as a y to the -1, combined to only the y. Now all this are not whole parentheses. There's a very small difference between two. Make sure you understand them. So this one I want you to simplify all the way. But you have to convert a negative exponent first. Anybody else is staying to redo the test today? Okay. 2 of you guys,
Not redo.
3 of you guys. Okay, you can try again.
Yes.
And Arthur and David gotta finish it up. That
And then I'll retake it. Wait, no.
if with David you become, if you can give him a C on the test.
Okay, I'm not stupid.
No.
I'm gonna
We're
get-
at 100% right now. We're doing good.
You're gonna get the
Let's do that.
I'm gonna get an A.
Okay.
That's
No, I believe you if you put your mind to it. But the problem is you get distracted pretty easily.
Oh my god, so easily.
ADHD, ADD. Okay.
No, it's just plain retardedness.
Playing with what?
Retardedness. I keep it raw, you know.
We live streaming this.
Yeah, that's alright.
So I cannot agree with you, but
For legal reason.
yeah, at least you're pretty easygoing. I can make fun of you, you'd be okay with it.
I'm not gonna cry. I know I've said a lot of this.
This is my calculus test. The first test. This question is on my first test in calculus. A lot of people failed it. But it's not so hard as you think. It's just pretty easy.
Hold on. Okay. Now it actually in second.
Okay, so
Oh, okay.
All right, so I'm gonna finish this problem. We can start for a second. So this is a 5 over x minus 2 over y. Any questions so far?
No.
Let's get out. Because I do. Let's get out. How do you
sorry, I just got cold, like almost on my mouth.
I
know that this like hi baby. You're not.
all of that's
Does everybody understand this? I think you guys should do it today because the more you drag out, the more.
I can't do it today. We have debate right now, and then I can't stay out.
But yeah, you have to sacrifice the debate because because I'm not gonna be keep on waiting for you guys and say, oh, I'm gonna wait to come out, I'm waiting to come out. This has been 2 weeks, and you guys haven't come into tutoring once. So then if I'm saying that, it's, you can go to the debate teacher and say, hey, let's finish this. Because this has been a long time. This is like. All right, so you ready? You ready? You ready? Okay, let's try this again. Okay, don't mess up. Yeah, don't get your phone out. Don't get the things out. But it's still gonna be loud. You can put earphone. It doesn't bother me.
Okay.
Earphone doesn't bother me. Like you say something is too loud. I was kind of overboard that day, but I wasn't not in a good mood. I apologize. But when I see people using the phone during the test, that's when I'm like, But I just, at least right now we're gonna try this again.
Also, that day I
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's okay. As long as you start doing the homework and you'll be fine. You're smart. I know you're smart. So, hold on a second.
Hey, you should probably end your live stream, by the way.
Oh yeah, good idea. So
Just remember, because they all
Smart guy.
go what?
straight back. Yeah. Who's this? Who's this person that's